I bet my test is working in it.
Hello, Jamaica. Hello.
Alright, carry on. Hey, 44, I kinda put the snowball on you there. Be Dr. Pepper. About that auto. Hey, 44, be Dr. Pepper. I just jumped on a different radio.
Waving a hand, Dr. Pepper, sounding good over here in Maine, 122, letting you know.
How many 123 Magnolia, blowing smoke around Lansing, Michigan, 343. 455 in the Carolinas, Dr. Pepper, Missouri. Your turn. 401, Mr. 427, the CDC wave. All right, well, just letting you know you're the monster in Missouri, man. 455, carry on. Have a great weekend. 401, Rhode Island. Appreciate that kickback, man. Have yourself a great old, your way. Well, you told me to say, Sean, so I waited till you got W21 there, Big John said. Sounding good out here in Dallas County, Missouri. Good evening. Long Beach County, Low Country, 343. I'm calling for that. Loud, and you be sure and give a big old hug because this is a special day for them. 2-750, Jackson, Michigan. Mercy. 316 said that.
Bye, Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper, 122, coast of Maine, trying to wave.
Dr. Pepper, break. Not back quiet.
Oh, we must be stuck in the mud over here in the old northeast corner, no doubt. 122 on the rocky coast of Maine, back out.
714 Buckeye State, 8 mile, break. I'm in there. 69, I'll get on there and roll at them. 31 hauling up. 714 Buckeye, 8 mile, Buckeye State. On that Gulf Coast of Mississippi. 750. Downtown 8 mile, Gym City, Buckeye, hello. Southeast Missouri, like always, my friend, we're waiting.
Bye, Audio Man, 122 Maine, trying to wave.
What in the world are you doing?
Where'd you go, Audio Man? You're showing up in my receive up here in Maine. Hey, Audio Man, 122 Maine, trying to get into your receive.
I'm bringing my diamonds. I'm on my horizontal ground plane, man. Hold on now. Let me get these diamonds. They 122 out of that horizontal ground plane.
big ol' hammer over here, audio man. Long time no spoke, no doubt about it. Hey, glad that you spun those old things around here. Definitely got a little bit of Mother Nature this evening. It's been pretty darn quiet over here in my neck of the woods. Yeah, how about your end there, audio man?
Thumbs up with it, I don't know. Yeah, but you know what? We done taught you the trick to the trade here, Mr. 122. Have you been afraid or what? What's going on? Hey, 122. We done taught you the trick to the trade. You been tighten up there, break.
Oh, I hear ya. No, I just keep forgetting to check in there, on those weekends there, no doubt about it. Hey, is it too late?
Hey, say trouble, right? Yeah, we're all up in there, man. There's a few of us up in Sam Talk right now, man. We ain't seen or heard from you in a while. It's good to know you're A-OK, ain't no doubt in my mind. What you say? Oh, Lord have mercy. One speaker wants me to yell at you. Oh, better yet, I think he wants to yell at you. Hey, 122, hang on. Let me come off this microphone in the room here and let him yell at you real quick. Come on, 122. 122. Seen you out there today, man. Pretty bomb. Saw your videos, had a good time. I had some great DX this morning. All through Chicago, Alabama, all over. It was really cool, man. Hey, Mr. 122, see you on the radio. See you on YouTube. And we'll be waiting for you on Zam Talk one day again there, Mr. 122. Your watchmaker.
Oh, we'll be back into that old Zam Talk, no doubt about it there at Watchmaker, no doubt. Just haven't been in there as of late very often. I got in there once or twice, and it was pretty darn quiet there. I think it was an early morning or something there, but absolutely, we'll definitely fire the old PC back up and get back in there, no doubt about it. Hey, 'cause I don't have the conditions, but hey, that is the way, no doubt. Hey, good hearing your watchmaker. Hey, thanks for that old audio 5 there, audio man.
Pennsylvania, I heard you in there. What top of the unit? 122. 601 with that big old Mother's Day weekend wave right there, Brick.
Oh, that is a big old wave, 601. Long time no hair. How you doing, 601?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good, man. It's about as well as it'll let me be. But I tell you what, man, I was on a scramble to get this old girl fired up there. I hadn't heard you up in my radio in a long time, so I wanted to make sure I got that big old wave in there, Peg.
Oh, I'm glad you did, 601. I'm glad you did. Oh, it's been a while. It's been pretty darn quiet on this end. Oh, Mother Nature had just about shut down except for little openings there. And then today she opened right up for us, so that's kind of a good thing. Hope everything's well and swell over there, 601.
Hey, same your way, man. Yeah, it's been pretty quiet here as well. I guess they say old Mother Nature's on a downward stroke, but it's been 2 or 3 weeks. It started out pretty good this morning, and I gave up on it, and I just got back home and using my radio about 30 dB, so I thought, holy smokes, I better sneak a wave. So how you been doing up there, 122?
Oh, I've been doing real good, 601. Been very busy, though. The old job situation been keeping me pretty darn busy, but hey, I had the weekend off, so I figured we'd jump in here. It was rolling. I'll roll some gates and see what's going on. 'Cause I haven't had these conditions for so long. Hey, in 601, I'm glad you warmed that old girl up there and spiked it down there, 'cause it's good hearing you back into my receive, no doubt.
We're out. Alright, 122, I ain't gonna tie you up, man. I may jump in here and holler at you again in a little while. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of them cotton pickers trying to get your way, but, hey, have you heard old Busy B? Is he still out and about?
He is. He put a 8-element beam up there. He's definitely got a big old hammer now, 601. No doubt. So, hey, you'll be hearing him, no doubt.
Alright, 122, I'll quit bending your ear, but hey, I enjoyed having you up on my radio. And that's a good deal on old Busy B. I'm glad to hear he's on the up and up. I'll catch you here in a little bit there, 122. I appreciate the get back, my friend. Have a great big old weekend. I'm easing back out of this mess.
Alright, back at you. You take care. Always good hearing you. 122, we're sliding back out also. Bye-bye.
Fair enough.